Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we are going to continue on our quest to find the best Pancakeswap low type of cryptocurrency, low cap type of cryptocurrencies that are really going to do a potential 100x. And of course, in comparison, or rather, if we get to compare between Regiment Finance and Cummies, right? Obviously, one is slightly overvalued in comparison to the other. For example, if we take a look at the market cap of Regiment Finance, right? It's only $563,000 US in comparison to Cumrocket, which is around 152 million US dollars. So obviously, if you had to pick which coin is obviously going to give you the biggest return on investment, I'll probably go for Regiment Finance in comparison to Cumrocket. Otherwise, they are both good investments. It's just that one is going to give you more return on investment because Cummies has obviously done quite a lot and it has a lot of room to grow because its industry is absolutely very it has the potential to do very well because it is a type of project which is the first of its kind, especially on the Binance Smart Chain and also when it comes to the whole entire crypto sphere as well. So this is one of the reasons why it has got the first mover advantage, and everybody's looking towards Cumrocket as the go-to blueprint as far as the adult industry NFT marketplace is concerned. So this particular project is obviously going to do very well. So in comparison to where we were a few days ago, right? So if you take a look at the website has been revamped. Same with Regiment Finance. Regiment Finance team is also developing it and they are doing very well as well. So it obviously looks 10 times better than it was a few days ago. So all these Pancakeswap low cap cryptocurrencies that I have been recommending, I mean, these are pretty solid type of cryptocurrencies and they are doing very well. So with regards to Regiment Finance, the trading volume has obviously drastically improved since yesterday, and it is obviously beginning to perform very well, and this is something which is very good. So obviously in the next coming few hours and weeks and days, this particular cryptocurrency is going to do over 100x. So let's say for example you put a $200 in Regiment Finance, right? You're most likely going to make a $20,000 or even more. So this is one of the reasons why I'm really leaning towards Regiment Finance. And if we take a look at obviously the chart, right? The chart is absolutely amazing. And from here, if you guys know anything about Elliott wave, the Elliott wave theory, I really think that the third wave, especially on the 4-hour time frame, is being made. So right over here we can consider that to be wave 1, and then we've got a correction, and now what we're about to do is we're about to have an explosive growth as far as RTF is concerned, and we're probably going to be trading close to $1 like pretty soon. So you've got the ability to sort of double your money in a very short period of time, and this is one of the reasons why you shouldn't really hesitate to sort of jump into Regiment Finance, because if you look at the market cap, $565,000, I mean, this is absolutely crazy. But anyway, getting back to Cumrocket, right? Obviously a few days ago, 2 days ago, I did let you know that the best value for your money as far as obtaining Cummies is between 3 cents to about 6 cents. And if you take a look at where the price bounced, okay, so let me just flip over, right? So obviously we did experience the price going to about 4 cents, okay, and this is one of the reasons why I really love technical analysis. Technical analysis is very vital. So the reason why I gave you this particular price range is due to the fact that there are resistance and support levels and heavy accumulation and distribution between these two levels. So obviously now that we bounced off of the 4 cents, right, this is literally a 2x plus some change since it dropped to about 4 cents. I did get to purchase some Cummies, and I'm absolutely in profit. I'm over 200% in profit in a few days since I published this episode, and I gave you the blueprint. I told you the price where it was going to drop at, and fortunately, or rather unfortunately, one of you was saying that the price wouldn't go below 6 cents. So if you take a look at this, right, this guy was saying great video, but this is going nowhere near 2 cents. So I gave you the range between 6 to 3 cents, you know, somewhere there. So you know, I'm very excited that I got to purchase this, and it immediately bounced. So these are the types of opportunities that I'm looking forward to. And if you guys are investing in you know, large cap cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Cardano in the top 10, that's very good, but you have to understand, in order for you to like make the most amount of money using your portfolio, right, you have to leverage on the best low cap cryptocurrencies. And obviously right now, as you can see, the path to altcoin season is made up of different phases, and we obviously experience the 2 phases: Bitcoin pumping, Ethereum pumping, and right now we're about to sort of trickle the pumping effect down to the large caps. And you know, lastly, there's going to be like an explosive out season. So during the explosive phase 4 of the path to the out season, you need to be investing in low cap cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the reasons why I am choosing the best low cap cryptocurrencies on Pancakeswap. You know, I'm not just randomly picking these coins. You know, but of course, these different low cap cryptocurrencies have got their own disadvantages and advantages. Like, for example, if you take a look at Cumrocket, right? Obviously, I have some Cumrocket, some Cummies as well, because it is a slightly more stable type of low cap investment for me, even though it has like an overvalued market cap of about $159 million US in comparison to Regiment Finance, which only has got a market cap of about you know, 568,000 US. But of course, I know I'm going to really end up making a whole lot of money from Regiment Finance. And in yesterday's episode, I did let you know the reasons why I am going to be putting you know, like a decent amount of money. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I do own Regiment Finance. I bought yesterday on video, and you guys already know the amount that I'm holding, but I'm looking forward to like adding some more Regiment, and it's really going to be explosive, because I can guarantee you Regiment Finance is going to do 100x in a short period of time. I mean, like in a very good, decent period of time. And by the end of the year, I hear that they are projecting to have about 250 million US as their market cap. So if you take a look at Regiment Finance, right, the market cap is only 568,000. By the end of the year, they are projected to have 250 million market cap. Now do the mathematics. If you divide 250 million US by 568, how much return on investment are you going to make? So this is one of the reasons why in yesterday's episode I did invest about $200, well, $260 to be precise, and I'm probably going to be adding some more Regiment Finance tokens to my holding. You know, the more we keep on establish some very good you know, community, and there's going to be progress as far as product development is concerned. So these are the things and the factors that I'm looking forward to. So if you guys are looking for one of those rare opportunities where you can really potentially get to make like $1 million, you know, investing in low cap cryptocurrencies that have got the potential to explode is absolutely cardinal, and it is very, very detrimental to your portfolio. But I'm not really saying that go all in such cryptocurrencies, because they are high risk, high reward type of investment. So this is one of the reasons why you should only invest whatever you are willing to lose. And it's all about timing. It's all about timing. Now is the perfect time to jump into Cummies and Regiment Finance, and I'm probably going to be looking for some more low cap cryptocurrencies that are very undervalued on Pancakeswap. So if you guys don't really know exactly how to purchase these coins, it's pretty easy. You have to use Pancakeswap. These are the pairs that you need. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys are kind of familiar with Uniswap, SushiSwap, Pancakeswap, bakeryswap. So it's the same procedure. So basically, just, you know, use the Binance Smart Chain to sort of purchase these coins. Because if you are lazy, because a lot of people tend to be lazy, if they see that a project is not on Binance or Coinbase, they're probably not going to make an effort. But you have to understand, if you want to make money money, right, you have to go the extra mile, and you have to do a few things that people are not doing. You have to look at places, or rather in places where people are barely looking at. So this is one of the reasons why you need to jump on this, stop procrastinating, and just, you know, do what you gotta do. Of course, do your own due diligence, and I'm not here to like entice you to like make your purchases. So anyway, let's look at Cummies. So if you did have the rare opportunity of getting into Cummies like on the 29th of April, right, it was around 1 cent, and it pumped all the way down, all the way up to around 27 cents. So that was like literally a 20x somewhere there in a few days. Can you imagine? So this is one of the reasons why I'm absolutely concentrating on Pancakeswap and just the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, you know, things like bakeryswap as well, because these are rare opportunities where we can explosively and exponentially make a whole lot of money. So right about now, I'm actually investing in Cummies and Regiment Finance. Regiment Finance is like the one that I'm really hoping is going to earn me like the most amount of money, due to the fact that it is undervalued. The other coin that I invested in is obviously Doge, but with regards to Doge, right, Doge is, you know, it's just like it's going to blow up eventually. It's eventually going to blow up, but it has to like sort of you know, get rid of those token, the people who are staking Doge and just pretty much mining and earning that passive income. But eventually it's going to follow through, because I believe this is definitely going to be the Dogecoin of the Binance ecosystem. So if you take a look at Doge, right, the value is about 159 million US dollars. So this one is going to like take a little bit of time to wind up. But best believe, I think like during next week or something is going to pop up as well. So this one I'm really, you know, keeping an eye on it, and I feel it's going to do very well as well. But right now I'm actually concentrating on Regiment Finance, and Cumrocket is my, you know, second biggest bag as far as pancake low cap gems are concerned. So that's all I had for you today. Remember, do not be worried about BTC dropping, because BTC right now is actually finding support around 42,800. So obviously right now we're about to sort of be a little bit stable, and we're probably going to go back to test the high around 48,000 to about 50,000 US dollars. So we did drop significantly from here, as you guys already know, right? The prices just don't free fall like that. You know, they always drop, get back, drop, pump, just like that. They go in cycles. So right now you can actually scalp some outs and take advantage of these fluctuations. Then when we go back to like test this particular resistance around 48,000 all the way to around 50,000, then you know, if we see rejection happening here, then we can think of closing our altcoin trades and just basically wait for the next you know, price destination of BTC, because if BTC loses this particular support at 42,000, right, 42 to 40,000, right, the next destination is 32,000. But of course, I'm not really concentrating on 32,000 BTC at this particular moment, because we did find some temporal support right over here. So let's see how BTC reacts when it goes to test these particular, you know, resistance, support turned into resistance, because this particular area is now quite a lot of resistance. So, you know, always trade like that. But anyhow, I'm always here to like give you all these updates, and I'm going to be, you know, keeping you in the loop as far as everything is concerned. So if you did watch my Bitcoin analysis a few days ago, right, 3 days ago, I did tell you about this particular breakdown and why we were going to head towards 42,000 if this particular level was broken. So if you guys have got the time, please watch this particular episode, because I did go in depth and I did explain everything like very well, and it did come to fruition. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies and just basically picking the best coins, I'm a beast, you know, because I've got some proven track records. You guys already know the numbers that we've done on my YouTube channel. Go back 3 years ago and you know, just check for yourself. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying you need to go ham in Regiment Finance before it's too late. It's absolutely a no-brainer. 469,000 US dollars as the market cap is absolutely ridiculous. All right, and the bulls are definitely in. Can you see what's happening here? Everybody's buying and the prices are beginning to like form some sort of lower highs, and the prices is sort of breaking all the previous resistances right over here. This is absolutely crazy, so we're going to make a lot of money. Hopefully we're going to be chilling in Barbados together, driving some Lamborghinis and just enjoying and having fun. So yeah, no financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. So talk to you a little bit later. I have more updates for you. So yeah, have fun and God bless you.